Here at Acorn Stairlifts, we endeavour to get our stairlifts fitted into a customer's home as soon as possible. I'm part of our installations team, and in this video I'll quickly take you through our installation process. Once we get the go-ahead from the customer, we can set a date for the installation and can even install the stairlift the next day if the need is really urgent. This even includes our more complex curved stairlifts. Our engineer will arrive at the customer's property, and because the survey has already been carried out, our unique fast-track system means our engineer can pre-select all the components needed, streamlining the entire installation process. The process itself is quick and simple, taking as little as an hour for a straight stairlift and a little longer for a more complex curved one. Because the stairlift is fitted to the stairs, not the wall, there's no need for any redecorating after installation. Once our engineers thoroughly tested the stairlift and made sure everything is working correctly, they will then guide the customer through how to operate it. Only when the customer is 100% happy will our engineer leave, but we're only a phone call away should they have any questions or need any advice. With no mess and no fuss, you wouldn't even know an engineer had been there, if it wasn't for the newly installed stairlift, giving the customer the freedom of the home they love. To find out more about Acorn Stairlifts, feel free to give us a call.